Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have this electric screwdriver with this elegant design. This is the Wowstick 1F Plus with 69 bits and pieces. So the design is absolutely amazing. It's made out of metal, really solid. It's got some LED lights. I'm gonna show it to you. It's just amazing. This is the box for it. On the back we have some info. So lithium power precision screwdriver, Wowstick 1F Plus, color gray, battery lithium. It's manufactured in China. So yeah, Wowstick, really nice simple box, really nice design. You can see the product on its actual size. Let's go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and I'm gonna take everything out and show you what exactly you get. Okay, so as soon as you open it, you get this screw pad, magnetic screw pad right here. Basically it's a magnetic mat, so you can just put your screws on it and you won't lose them. Really helpful if you're dealing with tiny screws and stuff. This is how it looks. It's got squares and different screw patterns on the back. Basically you can stick any metal screw to it and it will stick nicely. And here we have the screwdriver itself and all the accessories. I'm a case for accessories. This is the case. I'm gonna show it to you. This is these are bits, group of bits again, so it's got so many bits. That's amazing. And this is the screwdriver. Here it's the base, this thing right here, and here we got toolbox and accessories. So let's take everything out and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like and what exactly you get. It's just amazing. I'm sorry for the phone notification, I should have turned them off. But yeah, let me take everything out of the boxes and I'm gonna show you guys what you're getting. Okay guys, so I took everything out of the box. Let's start with the basic stuff first. So we have the screwdriver, we got the base. This is how the screwdriver looks like. We got screwing and unscrewing function, so basically up and down or something. We got 3 LEDs, so you avoid shadows. That's good when you're working on a motherboard or something like that. We got micro USB charging port. And this is the base. It's quite solid. It's a metal base. I put this rubber around it because it was in the box, but you can have it without. Same color as the screwdriver. We get a plastic prying tool. We get a micro USB to USB-A charging cable. We get the magnetic mat for the screws. We get this type of magnet. Let's see if you can focus. It says demagnetize and magnetize. So I think if you want to demagnetize something or magnetize it, you touch either here or here. We got this tiny jar of screws with about 4 tiny screws and 4 long screws. We get a suction cup. And now we get the bits and the case. Obviously these are the bits, so we get 3 sets of bits. They're all named, so you can see exactly what you get in the box. This one, for example, it's H4, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, so on, P2, P5, P6, Y06, Y1, Y20, so on, so on. So we get 3 of them, but only 2 of them can fit in the case. That's such a shame because one has to be left out most of the time. And this is a case, it's magnetic, so you can take this with you. Either have, I think you can put a screwdriver here as well. So you can either get a bit set and the screwdriver with you. Yeah, it fits perfectly. And now you can go do your job with only this much of a space. You got all those bits, the screwdriver and everything. And the battery actually lasts so long. Like I can't remember last time I charged this. I think I charged it only once in its lifetime, but used it like 2-3 times. So the battery actually holds a lot, and it has quite good torque. It's got some power. The bits are also magnetic, and the best part is it also works with the, let me see if I can get it. So we get the ifixit toolkit right here. So the bits from ifixit, they work with this. So let's say we get the J1 or whatever is this. I don't know if I read it correctly. We can put it right here and it works. So if you got the ifixit toolkit, it's compatible with this. It's just amazing. It makes so much easier, especially when I'm building PCs all the time, screwing the motherboard, the GPU screws, whatever you're doing, this one can do it. And if it doesn't have enough power to screw it in, you can actually keep it pressed and do it yourself, or just do it yourself without keeping it pressed. It's got that function. So obviously if you need something very solid, just use a regular screwdriver, but this is a precision screwdriver, and for 95% or 99% of the jobs it will do the job just fine. So I like the fact that it's very compact, like the case. If you need to do like a specific, I don't know, phone repair, you just get the bits that you need in this tube, put it here, put the screwdriver right in, like so, take the case, and off you go. It's just so simple to use. It's really convenient. Like compared to the box of ifixit, it's half the size. It's a bit longer on in terms of length, but it's half the size, and you get the electric screwdriver with a battery inside and the bits that you need. And obviously if you work from home, you can always keep it on your desk just like so, and it looks amazing. Just look at this. It looks amazing. You can keep the bits next to it or keep it in the case, it won't matter. This is a very handy dandy tool to magnetize and demagnetize all your screws. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I think it takes about 3 hours to fully charge from depleted, but it never ran out of battery since I have it, and it's been a couple of months really. I just haven't been using it that much because I had the ifixit toolkit with me. But this is way more convenient. Like if you're looking for something in the market, don't look any further. This is perfect for what you need. It's made out of metal, it's solid, it's sturdy, it's got LEDs, especially if you're working in a dark, I don't know, a long PC case that light cannot reach a specific corner or something. The LEDs are quite bright, as you can see, and it's got a lot of power. So yeah, pretty much that wraps it up. Pretty much that's it. It all depends of your lifestyle and what you have to do, but if you are on the go, you got the case. If you work from home, you got the mat, you got the stand, you can have it on your desk. It looks amazing. The best thing about this mat is that you can have all your screws, you know where you put them, so you know where you took them from, and you will never lose them because it's magnetic. You can actually attach it to a fridge or something. I used to do that to see how strong the magnet is, and it's quite strong. You will never fall. Pretty much that's it. I will put the link into the description below if you guys want to buy it. It's on Amazon. It's not very expensive. It's actually cheap for what you're getting. It's very cheap. I think it's 29, 39, something like that. It's very cheap. So and the quality, it's amazing as well. Again, this is the Wowstick 1F Plus, link in the description below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.